Popular Nigerian crossdresser and socialite Okwanye Idris Olariwaju, also known as Bobrisky, has revealed that he was recently duped in an online romance scam. Speaking via his Instagram page, the media personality claimed that he lost $990 to a fraudster. He expressed shock and disappointment over the incident, stating that he never imagined falling victim to such a scheme. According to him, the scammer had been in contact with him for several months, claiming to reside in the United States before relocating to Canada. He explained that throughout their interaction, the scammer maintained regular communication, calling frequently and pretending to be genuinely interested in his life. The crossdresser said, "I never thought in my life I would be a client to anybody." Bobrisky said the scam took a turn when a client from the USA contacted him for an advertisement and wanted to make a deposit via Cash App. He then asked his supposed lover for help in receiving the payment. The socialite went further to share screenshots of their chat and a photo of the alleged scammer on his page, warning fans to be cautious and not fall for similar schemes. While this has generated mixed reactions online, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.